was done except that the date time picker. So now in this video we are going to add the date time picker. Just close, open this one and come down here. Where is that booking from and booking date? Just close that one. Something need to be added. First of all, I'm going to add in booking controller, because first from date always the current date. So I'm going to write like a from booking from, that is a date time dot now, and then booking to, it will be the one day add date time dot now dot add days, it will be 1. So 1 days you have to add. Okay, now if you will go to the booking view model, here also need to be add. First one is a booking from, so in the booking from need to add, so it will be the display format. So search the display format, date format string, search like this one, and here need to add that your format. It will be the 0 dt and yyyy. Okay, the next one is that allow format in edit mode, it will be the true, this thing, and just copy this for booking 2 also, it should be add here. So thing has been done. Now open the index.cshtml. Here need to add, where is the booking, this one is a booking 2 and this one is a booking form. Just delete this one, this one is that, just copy, cut it here. So here you can write, here it will become new, just delete all this one till here. So editor form, so it will write like model dot booking from, then it will become new HTML attributes, okay, this one is the HTML attributes. Now here need to add braces, then new, again add braces, just delete this one. First one I am going to add that read only, it will be the true. The next field will be value, so value it will be that your model dot your booking from, two strings need to write the format, so it will be also dt mm and yyyy. Okay, that is two string has been done. Then we are going to add that class equal to, what is that class? First I'm going to add the form control, and then date picker. Later I'm going to use this date picker, and then next one will be the id, so id equal to txt booking from, that's all. Let's check where is the error. Good. Okay, so what I have written that HTML editor form, then booking from, then next one is the HTML attributes, and then new read only equal to true, and value is equal to booking from, that format, and class, and I have added that form control and date time picker, and id is txt booking from. The same one I'm going to copy for booking 2. Just copy this, this one is a booking 2, just paste it. So here need to change this one from to 2. That's and this one, so it will be the booking 2, and just copy this one and paste it here. This one is a booking 2. Now this, because here I have added date time picker, that is this one is a class. So to the top in the JavaScript, here I am going to create one function. I'm going to give the name date time picker. Okay, so in the date time picker, here that dollar dot date time picker dot, sorry, date picker, they here need to add some percent. Okay, first of all need to add that your format. So I'm going to write like a date format. So date format will be the DDMYY. That's it. Now next one, and this one date time picker I'm going to call in the document, or once the document already document will be ready, then after that it is what we will call. The next one, change month. Change month will come with like a drop down, so it will be easy to, otherwise you have to click next. So one same like a change year, that also it will come that true. Show on, that will be the button. Okay, that is a button. Then side by side, this one also make it true. This one, these bits will be capital. Okay, then control type will be select. The next one will be your button text. So button text, I am going to use that glyph icon. So the glyph icon, going to write like a span class, that is a glyph icon calendar. You search that calendar, PC calendar. So copy this one and paste it here. That is your glyph icon. So minimum date also we have to write like minimum date. So it will be mean date. So also it's like a mean date, max date. Okay. So now if you will run the application, click on new booking. Now you can see this one is coming 6th of October. Okay, and this one is the 7th of October, because once because 1 day difference, because once you are going to book that room, so 1 day difference would become, because and next if I going to select that 8, so this should automatically change to 9, because that from date and to date should be less than from date. Okay, that also should be changed. Here also you can change, but from the validation, once you are going to change this one, that's 7, so this one automatically will change to that 8. Okay, then you can change that date like this. This one also need to do here. So it will be the change event. First of all, that check that booking from, so dollar ID selector dot change event. That function. So first of all, need to make the where date to what's the date of a change from. So select this one, dot date picker It will check that get date. It will take the date from that txt booking from plus 1 day. The next date 2 dot set date it will date 2 dot get date plus 1. Then next one is that first of all need to set that mean date. So txt2 dot date picker, this one is date picker, so that one is that option, then mean date, this date should be capital, then your date 2. Okay, then again one more thing need to add, next date dot date picker set date, then your date 2. So save it. Now if you run the application, reload, new booking, so you can say that 6th of October and 7th of October. Now if you're going to change to 8 or something problem here, change it here. Oh, that good. Okay, now reload, click on new booking, select the date. So if you are changing here the date of October, so it will change to the 9th of October, then 10, then it will be 11. So mean date means like that we cannot change previous one. See, it's disable. Mean date means this one 11. If you are going to write like max, so after that max means this one. If I selected that max is will be make as 25, then you after that you cannot change any, you cannot select any date. Okay, this one same like here. Okay, that is a 9, so it means like a 2 date is a difference. So once we are going to add that customer, so I'm going to write like address, phone number and number of member if I'm going to write, and I'm going to click on save. Let's go to that controller. I'm going to make a breakpoint here. Oh, go to make the weapon and click on save. Let's see if I all, you will get the data. Okay, this two data you will get. So here that all the assigned room ID, then customer address, customer name, phone number and number of members is coming here. Now what we'll do, we will first, I will check that number of days. So I'm going to make the number of days. So after that, once you are going to get that one, how many days they are going to stay in particular room, so we can calculate that what actually is that your total price. So this one dot, it will be booking 2 minus dot booking from dot number of, then total days. What's the problem? Just convert to integer. So now you will get that actually number of days. Now I want to know that what's the total price. So total price, where you will get which table? That is your rooms table. So call the entities, that is your object dot entities. This one, entities dot rooms dot single, then model dot room ID equal to this dot sign room ID. So it will return that room object. It will return room object, obj room. Okay. So once you get that object room, so you will get that decimal your room price. So how you will get the room price? So object dot room dot your room price. You'll get the room price. So next, so what will be the decimal? Then total price. Total price will be that this your room price multiply by your number of days. Okay, that is done. The next, need to add into booking table. Just open the database, hotel DB, tables, and here you can see that room booking. Select. You can say this all are empty. So number of member and total amount should become here. So now start that room bookings. Create the object of a room booking. So the object of room booking equal to new room booking. It should come here. First of all, booking from. So booking from is obj dot booking from. What will be the next? Booking to. So just add the booking to. The next, assign room ID. Address, customer address, customer name, number of members. So it will be the number of members. Then total amount. So total amount is your total price here. Or you can write same like this, total amount. That is done. Now going to save. First of all, add dot booking room bookings dot add room bookings dot save changes. So the data will now here to call new. First of all, message equal to hotel bookings. Successfully created. The next one is that success is equal to true. That is done. Okay. Till now it's here. It's okay. Now first next one I'm going to do, because here that room booking will happen here, I'm going to write like if data dot success equal to true, then we can return the message alert data dot message. That is till here is okay. Now I'm going to create reset form. So function, it will be the reset booking. Reset booking means same like that, just copy, make a blank, this one copy, make a blank, customer 4, make a blank, booking from this one should be assigned room ID. It will be 1. Oh sorry, make it 1 only. Then text booking from, it will be blank only. The next, this one I'm going to call into once that alert message came. Then now first I'm going to focus in this one, so it will be the focus. Okay, this one. Now if you run the application, now new booking. So customer name is going to take this one, customer name, customer address, phone number. Okay, I'm going to book 6th to 8. Okay, one more thing we need to update. Just close. One more thing need to be updated. So what will be then that things? Open this one, because once you have booked, so that status of that particular room should be changed. Okay, here go to that room. So if you will check, that status should be changed. What's the booking status? Open the booking status. It will be the free, and once you are going to change, so it should be occupied. So here if you look that one, all the status is that booking status is 2. So once you are going to change, so it should be occupied, so it should be updated to that 3. So that already you got that one, that object. So only need to change the here dot booking status ID, it should be 3. Okay, then same one, let's save changes. So booking status is required to update. So here you got that object, so you are assigning that one booking status true and save changes. Let's run the application. Now click on booking, new booking, customer name, same booking from, I'm going to change to 8, 101, number of member 1. Click on save. Oof. That's the problem. Just close this one. Here I missed something. I think phone number is not there. Customer phone, that is. This one I missed because it's a required field in SQL. Okay, now run the application again. Now click on booking, new booking. Now here going to write like a type. Tuition, customer address is that Bangalore, phone number, and here 8 and 1, number of members. Once click on save, that hotel booking is successfully created. Click on OK. Okay, next time once you are going to open, so check that database. In the database you can see that is tuition, that all things has been here, that is a 9,000. Just check that your room table. Okay, So here if you will calculate that, this one is a 4500, so it's for 2 days, because in that hotel booking it's booking from that your 9 to your 8. See, booking from 6 to 8, it means that 2 days. 2 days means that 8000. If you will calculate 4500 into 2, it's a your 9000. Okay, that is done. And let's see one more thing here, where you are displaying, okay, every time it will be not refresh this one. So this one, because room number, this one if it, first time it will be load, okay, but next time once I'm going to be refresh, so that times it will be your booking status ID will be changed. Okay, this one will add. Now we are going to display the history, because here that all those booking status should become, okay, which customer name, customer, that is history should become.